Hi, this is Brandon with Precision Defensive Solutions, and today we're going to announce a new class for 2023 that we've never taught before. This new class is focused around, wait for it, yes, a rifle. In particular, the AR-15. So we are going to be doing our AR-15 Essentials class about 3 times next year. We're going to be focusing on the mechanics of the gun. We're going to be working on the mechanics of shooting it, choosing an optic, how the gun works, how to maintain it, how to zero your optic, and all the fundamentals that every new AR-15 owner should know. And even if you're not a new AR-15 owner, the likelihood is you're going to pick up some new stuff from this course. So I really hope that you'll jump in to one of these classes, get in, have some fun with us. We're going to be working with the Blackbeard X in class, so we're going to be doing the dry fire like we normally do in our normal pistol classes, because that's kind of one of the things that we do. It works. But get in, get some pew-pew in, enjoy your rifle, and we'll see you in class. Take care, everybody. Be safe.